All right, let's dive into the world of legal consultancy websites. What makes them stand out online? We've got some great insights from Site Design NOW to help us. They're a web design company based in Logan, specializing in websites for legal professionals.
What's interesting is their focus on the Logan market. It gives them a unique understanding of the local legal scene and what potential clients they were looking for.
Yeah, it makes their advice super relevant for us. And they emphasize clear and compelling service listings right from the start. Seems basic, but I'm guessing there's more to it.
Absolutely. You don't want to overwhelm visitors with legal jargon, right? It's about using the language your ideal client uses when they're searching for legal help online.
Makes sense.
So what words would resonate with them? Site Design NOW suggests using terminology that's tied to Australian standards and regulations.
So it's not just about listing services, it's about framing them in a way that connects, right, and builds trust from the get-go.
Exactly. Speaking their language, showing you get their needs. And speaking of building trust, Site Design NW is big on client testimonials and success stories.
We all know testimonials are important, but I think they bring something new to the table by explaining the psychology behind why they work. It's not just feel-good stories, it's social proof.
Exactly.
Ah.
Think about it. When you're looking for a service online, seeing that other people had good experiences can make a huge difference. It's like if it worked for them, it can work for me too.
Yeah, and in law, trust is everything. Testimonials can really win over a potential client.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And Site Design NW points out the importance of showcasing testimonials specific to the Logan community. Creates a sense of relatability for potential clients in the area. They see you've helped people just like them facing similar legal challenges.
So the right testimonials, not just any testimonials.
Yeah, and presented in a way that's both compelling and credible. Now let's talk about something super important to today's world. Convenient online booking and, quote, requests.
This is where it gets interesting. It's not just a contact form anymore. Site design now dives into how convenience influences clients.
Right. In today's fast-paced world, people want things easy and accessible. If it's complicated just to ask about your services or book a consultation, they might give up and go somewhere else.
So how do we make booking as smooth as possible?
They suggest a user-friendly online booking system right on the website. Clients can see your availability, choose a time, and book with a few clicks.
And they specifically mention mobile optimization.
Of course. Everyone's on their phones.
Yeah.
Your booking system needs to be just as easy to use on a phone as on a computer. Imagine trying to navigate a clunky system on your phone. You'd probably just give up.
Yeah, it's all about making it easy and convenient. And of course, security is a big deal, especially with client data.
Absolutely. That's where complying with Australian data protection regulations comes in. Site Design NW really stresses making sure your online booking system is secure and compliant with regulations like the Privacy Act.
So clients feel confident their information is safe. Makes sense. Now let's talk about detailed lawyer bios. Might seem straightforward, but Site Design NW has some interesting points.
It's not just about listing qualifications and experience. It's about showing the human side of your practice and connecting with potential clients.
I like how they suggest adding some personality.
Right. What makes you unique? What are your passions outside law? Sharing those things can make you more relatable.
It's about building trust and connection before they even meet you.
Exactly. And showcasing your expertise in a way that resonates with them.
Okay, the last thing Site Design NW recommends is an engaging legal insights blog. Curious to hear their take on this.
They really highlight providing valuable content that goes beyond just promoting your services. It's about establishing yourself as a thought leader, sharing your knowledge.
I like that. It positions you as a resource, builds trust.
Right, it's not just hire me, it's here's what I know and how it can help you.
And they talk about the SEO benefits, right?
Absolutely. A blog can really boost your website's search engine ranking, so potential clients can find you more easily. By consistently publishing high-quality content related to your practice areas, you're telling search engines like Google that your website is valuable for people looking for legal information.
So a blog helps clients ND your visibility?
Exactly. And Site Design NW emphasizes tailoring your content to the local market.
There's that local focus again. How does that work with a blog?
By sharing insights on Australian legal updates or discussing court rulings that could affect businesses in Logan, you show you really understand the local legal scene and become a go-to resource for businesses in the area.
Being super relevant to your audience.
Exactly. And that relevance builds trust and credibility.
Okay, we've covered Site Design NW's 5 must-haves for legal consultancy websites. Clear service listings, compelling testimonials, convenient online booking, detailed lawyer bios, and an engaging blog. But there's more, right? They also talk about building trust through web design itself.
Right? They talk about your website as your digital office. It needs to feel professional and trustworthy, just like a physical office.
So it's not just about how it looks, but how it works and how it feels to use.
Exactly. When you walk into an office, you get an immediate impression, right? Is it clean and organized? Welcoming?
Yeah.
Professional? Your website needs to do the same.
So what makes a good first impression online?
Site Design NW points out a few things. Intuitive navigation, so visitors can easily find what they're looking for. Fast loading times, because no one waits for a slow website. And clear contact information, so people can reach you easily.
All important for a professional and trustworthy legal website.
Absolutely. And they highlight things that reinforce your local presence, like images of Logan or your involvement in the community.
That local focus is key. And they talk about security too, right?
Yes, especially for handling sensitive client information. They recommend secure payment gateways if you're taking payments online, and making sure your site is protected from cyber attacks.
Creating a safe and comfortable space for clients online.
Exactly. Building trust through every part of your website, from the content and design to how it works.
It really feels like they get it, that a website for legal professionals is more than just a brochure online. It's about building relationships and getting clients.
Absolutely. They even dive into the technical stuff like SEO, search engine optimization.
Okay, break it down for us non-techies. What is SEO and why does it matter for a legal consultant's website?
Imagine you're a client in Logan looking for a family lawyer. You Google family lawyer Logan. What happens? Google looks through millions of pages to find the best ones for you. That's where SEO comes in. By using the right keywords on your website, like family lawyer, Logan, legal services, you're helping Google understand what your site's about and rank it higher in the results.
So higher ranking, more clients find you.
Exactly. It's all about visibility. And Site Design NOW gives tips on improving SEO, like getting high-quality backlinks. Those are links from other good websites to yours, and creating content that matches what your target audience is searching for.
They also talk about local SEO, right? Makes sense with their Logan focus.
Yeah, local SEO is super important for businesses that need local clients. It's about making your site rank higher in location-based searches. So if someone searches lawyers near me or legal services Logan, your website's more likely to show up.
So it's about attracting the right clients, ones who are in your area and need your services.
Exactly. And speaking of attracting the right clients, they also emphasize having a mobile-friendly website, which these days is pretty much a must-have.
Totally agree. Can't remember the last time I did anything important online that wasn't on my phone. What makes a site mobile-friendly?
Think about what you're browsing on your phone. You want a site that loads fast, has a layout that's easy to read on a small screen, and buttons and forms that are easy to tap. Site Design NOW really stresses responsive design, meaning the website adjusts to fit different screen sizes. So it looks good on a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone.
So no need for a separate mobile version. Just design it right from the start.
Exactly. Plus, Google actually penalizes sites that aren't mobile-friendly. They rank lower.
So you lose clients browsing on their phones, and your overall ranking suffers.
Right. Modal optimization isn't optional anymore. It's crucial. Site Design NW even talks about adding secure payment gateways directly to the website if you're taking payments online, which is more and more common.
That's a good point. It's convenient for the client and keeps things secure.
Absolutely. They recommend using well-known payment gateways that are secure and have things like fraud protection and data encryption. That way your client's information is safe and you're protected.
So we've talked about what a good legal website needs, how to build trust through design, and the importance of SEO and being mobile-friendly. But Site Design NW doesn't just give advice, they actually offer web design services specifically for legal consultants.
Sounds like a comprehensive approach. What kind of services do they offer?
They're experts in designing and developing websites on WordPress, which is a popular and easy-to-use system.
WordPress is great for legal websites. It's very customizable, and there are lots of plugins and themes you can use for legal practice.
And Site Design NW also offers things like content writing, SEO optimization, and ongoing maintenance. So they're a one-stop shop for building a strong online presence.
Really helpful for busy legal professionals who might not have the time or know how to do it all themselves.
And don't forget their local expertise in the Logan market. They understand the challenges and opportunities for legal consultants in that area. They know the legal scene, what clients are looking for, and how to tailor your site to that audience.
A big advantage. Like having a partner who knows how to build a great website. and how to make it successful specifically in your market.
So what's the one thing our listeners should take away from all this?
I think the biggest takeaway is this. Your website is an investment, not an expense. It's not just a brochure or a static thing online. It's a powerful tool for attracting clients, growing your business, and becoming a trusted expert.
And if you don't know where to start or feel overwhelmed by the technical stuff, reach out to an expert like Site Design and Now W. They can help you create a website that truly reflects your practice.
Remember, your website is often the first thing potential clients see. Make it count. Make it easy for them to find you, learn about you, and ultimately choose you as their lawyer.
Site Design and Now W emphasizes that a website is a living part of your consultancy.
It needs to grow with your practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, adapt, and keep improving based on what you learn.
Because the world of digital marketing is always changing, and staying up to date is key. They've given us a lot to think about.
They really have. And while they focus on Logan, the principles apply everywhere.
That's a good point. Whether you're in Logan or London, the core elements of a successful legal website are the same: clarity, credibility, convenience, and providing value to your clients. It's about creating a space online that looks good, but also works really well, and makes it easy for potential clients to find what they need.
And it's about showcasing your expertise, building trust in a way that really connects with the people you want to reach. Site Design and NowW really hits home that in this digital age, your website is your most valuable asset.
Yeah, it's like the face of your firm, your 24/7 shopfront, the place to show the world what you know.
So invest in it wisely, keep it up to date, and never stop learning how to use it to get more clients and grow your business.
We've talked a lot about how to make your legal consultancy website effective, but what's one thing someone listening could do today based on what we've learned?
That's a great question. I'd say take a good look at your website. Or if you don't have one yet, really start planning it out.
Okay.
And ask yourself, does my website clearly show what I do? Does it build trust with potential clients? And does it make it easy for them to contact me?
Those are the key questions.
If the answer is no to any of those, you know where to focus.
Right.
And don't be afraid to look at other legal websites for inspiration. See what they're doing well and how you can make it work for your brand and your audience.
Yeah,
Steal like an artist.
exactly.
Remember, your website's not static. It's a living thing. You got to keep experimenting, adapting, and learning.
Yeah, the world of digital marketing never stands still. Staying informed is so important for success.
Well, we've covered a lot about building an effective legal consultancy website today. Hope you got some valuable insights from our deep dive into Site Design and Now W's recommendations.
Me too. And to everyone listening, we hope you did too.
We'd love to hear your thoughts. What stuck with you? What surprised you? And what are you going to do next?
Yeah, reach out if you have questions or anything to share. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep building those amazing legal consultancy websites. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive. See you next time.